What is the #1 way to grow your business in a down market? What we've learned from some of the top experts in the industry is to focus on a niche. What is a niche? It is a focused segment of the market. So as an example, on the real estate side, it might be focusing on short-term rentals. It might be focusing on serving veterans, first-time home buyers, relocations. But by picking a specific area of the market, not only do you allow your experience to accrue and become better than anyone else on that one category, you allow yourself to build momentum for your own business. For us at Team C, our niche has been problem solving. We often say we're not in the mortgage business, we're in the problem solving business. We just happen to do it through home loans, right? When everyone else is closing the laptop, that's when we open it. When everyone else is saying no, that's when we say yes. And just recently we came up with the mission statement, we want to change lives when others won't or can't. By picking a niche, it's allowed us to focus on our craft regardless of what's going on in the market and to continue to get better at what we do day in and day out. Regardless of the business you're in, whether it's real estate, insurance, mortgage lending, focus on the niche and figure out what is your brand going to represent and what are you going to do better than anyone else. Hope you have a blessed day, blessed week. Let's go.